Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Accord headliner. First, gather your materials, including a new headliner fabric, a high-temperature spray adhesive, and a sharp utility knife. Next, carefully remove the headliner board from your vehicle. Then, peel away all of the old, deteriorated fabric and foam backing. Finally, thoroughly clean the bare headliner board, ensuring it is free of any old adhesive residue or debris. This preparation is crucial for a lasting repair. Now it is time to apply the new fabric. Lay your new headliner fabric flat, face down, on a clean surface. Apply a generous, even coat of high-temperature spray adhesive to one half of the headliner board. Carefully lay the new fabric onto the adhesive, starting from the center and working outwards. Use a soft brush or your hand to smooth out any wrinkles or air bubbles, ensuring a firm bond. Repeat this process for the other half of the board. With the fabric firmly adhered, carefully trim any excess material around the edges of the headliner board using a sharp utility knife. Take your time to ensure a clean, professional edge. Next, cut out the necessary openings for components like dome lights, grab handles, and sun visor clips. Allow the adhesive to cure completely, typically for at least 24 hours, in a well-ventilated area. This curing time is essential for a strong, durable bond. For the best results, always use a high-quality, automotive-grade, high-temperature spray adhesive. This prevents future sagging due to heat exposure. Work in a well-ventilated space to avoid inhaling fumes. If your original headliner foam was completely deteriorated, consider adding a thin foam backing to your new fabric for a more professional look and feel. Finally, take your time with each step. Patience ensures a superior finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.